Guys, some Deloitte NLA selected candidates have now started receiving DTDC tracking messages with AWB number, and because of this, many students are confused and panicking again. People are asking, is this related to onboarding, or is Deloitte sending laptops already? Does receiving DTDC tracking mean onboarding is confirmed? So in this video, let's clearly understand what this DTDC tracking message actually means and what you should do next. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Over the last few days, many Deloitte selected students have been sending the screenshots of DTDC tracking messages and asking whether this is a positive sign or not. So let's break down the entire thing step by step. First of all, if you recently accepted a Deloitte offer or are part of an onboarding process, then receiving a DTDC message with an AWB tracking number is generally a positive sign. Many companies, including Deloitte, often use courier services like DTDC to dispatch joining kits, company assets, laptops, welcome packages, physical onboarding documents. So if you received an AWB number from DTDC connected with Deloitte onboarding, it most likely means some onboarding related shipment process has started for your batch. Now many students are asking, bro, what is AWB? AWB simply means Air Way Bill Number. It is basically your shipment tracking ID. Using this number, you can track the live delivery status of the package being sent to your address. Now here's what you should do. Check your Gmail inbox, spam folder, promotions folder, because sometimes Deloitte dispatch notification may land there. And for the next step, copy the AW that is tracking number and go to the official DTDC tracking website and enter the tracking number. There you can see shipment status, current location, dispatch updates, and expected delivery timeline. Now let's come to the most exciting question. What might Deloitte actually send? Depending on your onboarding stage and batch, packages may contain laptop, accessories, joining kit, welcome merchandise, official onboarding materials. But it is not necessarily mandatory to give you the laptop at this stage. They can provide it during your onboarding. So remember, shipment contents can vary from batch to batch. Now after receiving the package, don't think the process is over. You may still receive further onboarding instructions such as DStart portal access acknowledgement forms, HR onboarding instructions, document verification steps, training schedule updates. So continue checking your mails regularly. If your delivery gets delayed or your address is wrong and if your tracking doesn't update, then directly contact DTDC customer support using your AWB number. And if onboarding related updates are missing even after your joining timeline approaches, then contact your Deloitte HR or recruitment coordinator. One important clarification, guys. Receiving DTDC tracking updates may indicate onboarding movement for your batch, but exact onboarding timelines can still vary depending on business requirements, batch allocation, location, internal onboarding schedules. So don't compare your status with every other candidate continuously. If you are also receiving Deloitte onboarding updates, DTDC tracking messages or onboarding mails, comment below and let everyone know your current status. And if this video helped clear your confusion, make sure to like the video and share it with other Deloitte NLA candidates because many students are still confused about these onboarding process. Also join our WhatsApp community for verified updates, onboarding discussions, interview guidance, and analyst preparation content. Link is available in the description. So thank you guys, that's it for today.